Hi, today we're going to show you how to clean some fresh shrimp, and I say fresh only because previously frozen shrimp tend to be a little fishy, if you will, and a lot of times when people have had seafood that tends to be very strong, it's because it's been previously frozen before and it was stored differently, and once it was thawed, it may have sat at room temperature a little too long and things of that nature. So I'm using some fresh shrimp today just because if you can get a hold of it during the summertime, it's a good thing. And these are wild shrimp as well. They're not farm raised. So this size here is about a 21-25, which means there's about 21 to 25 of these per pound as far as that goes. And these are some Gulf white shrimp. So these have already had the heads removed. So we're just going to peel the rings of shell off along with the legs, and I'm going to leave the tail on. We've got some other videos coming, and we're going to show you how to make these the shrimp into quite a few different things, but I usually just leave the tail on for a multitude of recipes. I've got here just a paring knife, and I'm going to go along the back of the shrimp there, and we're just going to remove this vein with our fingers, because we don't want to eat that. And in a sense, this is just when you ask for or when you order from a fish market a peeled and deveined shrimp, this is exactly what you're going to get. This is the finished product here. Now, in the event that you want to butterfly the shrimp, which we're actually going to do on a couple of other recipes, what I'll do is just take that same cut that I just made with my paring knife and just go a little further down into the flesh of the shrimp. Not too far. I want to leave some substance there. And that is a butterfly shrimp. And we can actually pat this down a little bit when we bread it or do whatever we need to do for various recipes. And that's the difference.